Hey, what's up, guys? We are back fishing again. We're today here at Santa Cruz, and we're gonna try this small boat over here. So, yep, we're gonna test drive the motor. Finger crossed, the motor will keep us until we finish done fishing. And other than that, see if we can find some rockcod. Mackerel it's running around here, but you gotta find them. So we'll see if we can find them today. Let's see how we do today. Alright, guys. Yep, see you there. Live well right there. Almost as big as the boat. Water looks like it's running fine. Got a backup trolling motor. 2 battery just in case. Ready to go. Yep. Right now I'm just waiting for Drew to come back, and then we're gonna go ahead and head out. Alright. See you guys then. Go. Put a bait in here. Let's see if we can get something in here.
God. Nabuhayan na. Nabuhayan na. Oh man. Oh, that's a keeper.
That's a keeper for sure.
For sure, yeah. That's a keeper. Yeah, yeah, boy. I'm on the board. Ew. Now you're talking.
Man, my GoPro can't even.
I gotta kill you.
I was trying to turn on, my GoPro won't turn on. It's like, what the heck?
There you go.
That's a nice size right there, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Big fish in the boat.
Yeah, on the small boat.
Ling ling. My
Ling a ling right there.
Ling 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 ling. There we go.
I got snag.
You got fish on?
No, snag.
Akala ko snag ako.
I got snag, but I got fish in here. Oh man. The what? Oh yeah.
Oh, you got one?
Right there.
Oh shit. Nice.
Damn, bro. There you go. I lost my weight, but I have a fish in here. I got rockfish. Yeah. It's a fat one. Look at that.
Oh yeah, boy. Kamukha nung kanina.
Yeah.
That's a big ass rockfish.
Hey, no skunk today. We good.
No skunk today.
Mr. Drew got a big ling. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about. Measuring ko, baka
Oh, yeah, measure it.
may, ayun, may 24, may
That's like 27, dude.
22.
No, that's like 27. That's big, dude.
26.
See? Told you. Close.
26.
Ha, hindi.
Hollywood setup day.
Mackerel, man. Laki. Laki mackerel. Woo! That's a fat mackerel, dude. That's a fat mackerel.
Is electronic license fine?
The app?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's new this year. I do. Any luck this morning?
Yeah, I got a 26 Lincoln.
There you
We
go.
got 2 rockfish.
There you go. That's something.
And
You have the paper version? Yeah, you just folded it up. Do you mind taking it out for me? Oh, nicely tucked inside there. Got the app. Cool. Beautiful. Alright, thank you. Yeah, no, it's alright. Yeah, that's good. You're good. You said you have the app?
it should be under my photos.
Oh, dude.
Ano mo, nagdala yung hook naka sa likod. Kunin mo yung ako. This one isn't my fish. Hey, three in a row?
crab bait right there. Crab bait. Crab bait. Alright. Got this thing. Fish on! Oh! Puro mga snow. Walang naligaw. Walang naligaw si Siargao. Wala. Right, they're back. Banat ulit, banat. Oh, man. That's no good. No good. It's not no good. Grabe. That's it. Oh my lord, that's it. Klabait. Nahulog na yung buwan ko. Klabait. Smelt lang naman. Taran! Nakita ko yung mga ano, sumunod. Bukasyo, baby! Anong isda yan? Rockfish yan. Bukasyo to, men. See? Oh, ano? Baby bukasyo. Ayoko na.
Suko na.
Late
Suko
na,
sa
man.
mga smelts.
Gagabi na.
Suko ka na sa smelts. Alis na tayo?
Gagabi na eh.
Let me try this one. 5 minutes.